Welcome to an OAHPM Data.NET video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will review how to enter and save section and supportive services data. Be sure you have completed all the necessary steps to set up your implementing organizations by assigning program models and users if needed. These steps are reviewed in the Getting Ready for Data Submission video tutorial and detailed in the user guide. From the Welcome page, click the Organizations button in the navigation bar at the top. For Grantee admin users, the Sections button on the Manage Implementing Organizations page takes you to the same location. On the Sections page, after selecting a reporting period and program model, you will be able to add or edit your section level data. To add a section, click the Add Section button. On the Add Section screen, provide a section name, the state, setting, and urbanicity served, and then click Save. Now that we have created our section, we can see it added to the list below and add data by clicking the Edit Section Data button. On the Submit Section Data page, you will see 4 tabs for data entry: Youth Participants, Caregivers and Professionals, Dosage, and Fidelity and Quality. On the Youth Participants tab, you will start by entering the total youth reach, which is the number of youth who participated in the program model. For the following questions about youth reach by demographic category, the category totals must equal the total youth reach indicated at the top. On the Caregivers and Professionals tab, you will complete a similar process by providing the total number of caregivers and then entering the count of caregivers by each demographic category. Below the caregivers data area, you will provide the same information for the total number of youth-serving professionals that were participants in the program model and the count of youth-serving professionals by each demographic category. On the Dosage tab, you will provide the average participant attendance and the total number of participants that received at least 75% of the programming. On the Fidelity and Quality tab, you will report session counts as well as the average fidelity and quality score for any observed sessions. For sessions, you will report the number of sessions planned, the number completed, and the number observed, if any. If there are any sessions observed, you will report both an averaged fidelity and an averaged quality score for those sessions. Fidelity is program model adherence, which is submitted as a percentage of the number of activities completed divided by the number of activities planned for those sessions. Quality is the averaged quality score of observed sessions. The quality score of the observed session is determined by the observer using the Program Quality Observation Form. Once you have entered all of your section data and click Save, you will be returned to the Sections page and see the message that your section data has been saved. If there are any errors in your section data when you click Save, such as missing data in a required field, the website will remain on that section data entry page and provide you a message by that field and at the top of what fields are required or other validation errors have occurred. You may go back to edit your section data at any time until the reporting period is closed for editing, after which you will need to contact the support desk and your project officer for approval and the ability to make those corrections or changes. Lastly, let's review the referrals our implementing organizations are making to supportive services. Returning to the Implementing Organizations page by clicking the Organizations button in the navigation bar will display all the implementing organizations as we saw when we were entering section data. Now we will click on the Supportive Services button by the organization we want to submit data for. On the Submit Supportive Services page, start by selecting the reporting period, then enter the count of referrals made to each supportive service by the type. Thank you for watching this OAHPMData.net video tutorial.